I don't even fucking believe it. We made it. To a fucking desktop, finally. Start menu. Okay. No, I don't want to browse the web yet. Windows pause. Let's see about devices. Settings. Oh, my PC is monitored and protected. Desktop. I never gave it that name. It never asked me for a name. Device ID, product ID, 64-bit OS, x64 based processor. Rename this PC. Sure will. Let's try that one more time. Or is it just that slow? There, that's better. Okay. You can use a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers. How about tall enough? Which is what I wanted it called to begin with. Next. Bucking bastards. After you restart, great. Now I get to restart. We'll restart later. Okay. I still don't know about Device Manager. Let's keep going. Windows specifications. Windows 10 Home. Blibbity blobbity blue. Change product key. Blah blah. We don't have an activation bug, so allegedly it's activated. I don't need any of that shit. And find a setting. How about device manager? I don't know what it's called. Oh, look, there's device manager. Exactly what I wanted by hitting Windows pause. Hey, awesome. We got everything in. We don't need to install any drivers. Portable devices. Probably the flash drive. Network modem. Oh, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry, monitor. Derp. Modem. Will it still query? Yeah, see, this is old. Yoink. Diagnostics. Query. Wow, they didn't break that. I'm impressed. This is kind of pokey slow. I can tell. I don't like that kind. Okay. So I don't like it so far. But I want to see if my video editing software will work on it. So we're going to yoink that flash drive, because we don't need that kind anymore. And I'm going to go put in the other one, because I don't know if it runs under 10. And I need to know that going forward. That, at least, is good news, that it works. There's a little update for that I should install. That's going to take too long, so let me do that. Look at all of the updates. It's downloading them. I didn't ask for it to do that. And I can't change that. This sucks. You Control-Alt-Delete. This is so plain compared to Windows 7. It's like they forgot about this little backdoor Windows kind of thing. Task Mangler. I've been in here already. Look at my CPU usage. No shit, Sherlock. 100%. I don't think it's ever going down from there. It's, yeah, it's great. It's great. I don't think Windows 10 is actually going to work. See, it's doing, I can't do nothing about it. I'm just going to keep going here. Let's, we'll go to chrome.googly.com. Microsoft Edge runs on the same technology as Chrome with the added benefit of Microsoft. Download Chrome. with the trust of Microsoft? Seriously? Open file. I said open file. It's not opening the file. Now it's opening the file. Yeah, so I think this is kind of where I'm going to be stuck. I'm going to fart around with this for too much longer, and we'll see where it ends up. Probably back at Windows 7, but we'll find out. Let's just watch this fall on its face. We could close that. Download complete. Okay. Stalling. Yeah. It's funny how... Oh, Edge is better with the added trust of Microsoft. What, I'm going to trust that... Hiya! I'm going to trust that shit? Come on. Yeah, I think this machine might just be a little out of date for this OS. Just a little out of... It's only 15 years old. It's not really that old. We got a UAC prompt. Sure. Oh, it wants to install it now. Cancel. Just do something. This is terrible. Oh man, it's just awful. Go. I don't want any more. More? Got it. I don't know. Go away. And it's stalling. I said not to. Yeah, just a little out of date, like I said. Just a little. So, my cookbook program, I have a file on the network. I didn't set anything up, but I just punched in the location. It's not locating anything. In fact, it's sitting there doing nothing. So that's another hurdle that we're going to have to figure out with Windows 10 that I don't want to have to figure out. Probably going to stick to 7. Yeah, just about sure of that. Give me an error already. Do something. Enter network credentials. There are none! Well, the program runs. That's the main thing. So that's good. I got a restart required. My device will restart outside of active hours. How about not until I fucking give you the okay? Instead of it running my fucking life. I figured this part out. You can hit that and I can get back to the flash drive. So I learned that. Let's try this 4K downloader thing again. See if that doesn't work. Just for shits. I don't know. It might actually work under Windows 10. Not that it's worth much. Right, we did all that before. Yeah. Next. Right. Install. Okay. Accept the UAC program. Okay. Copying new files. Here he goes. Copy all them files. Go ahead. All the way across. You can do it. You can do it. We'll hit finish and I'll launch it myself. How about that? Okay, we got an hourglass. So it's allegedly loading. We'll wait and see what happens. It happened. Oh, look! It failed again! I don't want to open... I don't care. What is this Microsoft Edge shit? Go away. I don't need that. Failed to create OpenGL contacts, blah, 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 blah. Oh, there's an update, and it just exited. Oof. Oh, it's terrible. So maybe that's not the latest version, but we'll run it again. Okay, we just got an error. I'll try to download it now. All right. Now it's installing Microsoft Visual C++, which I've seen it do on other machines, so okay, maybe it's not the latest version, but will it even fucking run? Something tells me it probably will, and like I said, I downloaded this, and I didn't put it on the flash drive, but I downloaded this under Windows 7, and it just kept giving them same errors, that OpenGL shit and all that. The program, it's got to work out of the box. If it doesn't work out of the box, then no. I understand having to learn to use the program, kind of like Windows 10, that I still hate, but it's got to just kind of work for the average big, fat, dumb American consumer. And if it doesn't, I don't want that shit. Because they didn't take the user into account. Now we'll launch it, and I have a feeling it's going to work now. Go away! What is this shit? Okay, so allegedly it's loading. Right. Yep, it's going all right. Sure is. It's got to be loading right now. It's got to be. Okay, we'll come back for that. Meanwhile, I'm going to try to install Microsoft Office 2003. I'll be back later. So far, so good. It only just got started doing nothing. It's loading off CD, so it's going to take a little time, but that's okay. Let's see if it runs. That is absolutely taking its sweet ass time to install. It's registering fonts. That's okay. Just tell me it's done. That's all. It should be like just a couple seconds now. Not under Windows 10. Registering type libraries. I guess it's halfway done now. That's good. Wow. Yeah. Pretty sure no. Kinda. Pretty sure about that. Yeah. Pretty sure no. Alright, well, let's see. It's stalled. Okay, let's see. Windows. We gotta scroll down to M. Microsoft Office. New. Ooh. That's a lot more shit than the other one. Okay, Word 2003. Thank fuck for that. Alright. So this is doing updates. That's fine. It seemed to otherwise install stuff. By the way, 4K Video Downloader never did launch. We'll double click it again just to see, but it never did come up. So there's something very cursed with that program. Something like 8 updates ago, they broke it. And it doesn't work now. I hate that. Because you would have thought something by now, but no. Alright, get ready for Windows 11. Nope. Woof. Alright, one step at a time. Oh, what is this? Nothing. Did Explorer just crash? Like, what the fuck? This is a joke. Oh, shit. Alright. Anyway, that is going to wrap up this part 87 or so. I don't know where we're going from here. I'm going to dick around with Windows 10 for a couple. I don't think it's going to work. So we're probably going to revert to 7. But it was fun. We played. We tried. Like I said, I got other systems that might run better. They'll run a lot better and a lot faster. I might just have to like ditch the old machines and kind of take my old video editing rig and replace a computer down here and replace another one and replace. I got computers that I can computer with. But yeah, I think we're going to leave it off here. It does not look good. So that's going to do it for now. Oh, I got a box from, is it Compact or HP? It's one of them little shitty mini boxes. It's like kind of a regular desktop, but it's smaller. XJO81X gave it to me. It was being discarded from somewhere. Never did dick around with that, but I kind of, sort of, a little bit might have a working product key for Windows 10. What happens if I install it on another machine at the same time? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. We'll have to see. But that might be faster. That might be something to consider. I wouldn't mind, after all this shit is said and done, like if that thing can actually run Windows 10 and that can edit video, which would be faster. It's got to have a faster processor. Then have one machine in the house with Windows 10 and the rest can still be on 7. I like that idea. We'll see where this goes. We'll be back at least one more time with this thing. Probably just restoring 7, but like I said, I'm going to dick around on it. And why is it asking me to restart now when it's still downloading shit? Come on. Get with the program. Fuck. Windows 11 is got to be just as horrible. They took everything that 7 had and just threw... Well, it actually happened with 8, but, I've been that out of touch with the shit. Anyway, see, 4K video downloader never went away. I want to go now to control panel, and it's not there. Because when I click on that, and if I go down to C, it doesn't say control panel. So I got to type in... Well, actually, I think you can say, I don't want that. Go away. I don't want that. I think you can right-click that, and then, what is it, settings? Oh, see, there's Device Manager. That's good. Let's see, settings. Oh, we're in settings. Right, it's here. Ha 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 ha. That's funny. Find my device. Now, how about uninstall? Uninstall. So you got to type everything. Apps and feature. Oh, add and remove programs. There you go. There. Now we can click on that. I don't know where that came from. I'm going to uninstall it later after a reboot. I just want to see what happens. Anyway, that's it. Enough babbling. We'll be back another time. Thanks so much for watching me struggle through Windows 10, but hey, at least it installed. L, it runs, and W, I'm fucked. Okay, like, subscribe, ring the bell for Arby's. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.